Too many ute owners are being let down by poor quality gear. Corners cut, quality compromised. We understand that not everyone can invest in a premium setup, but that shouldn't mean being forced to settle for gear that doesn't hold up. It costs you more in the long run. Everyone deserves solid gear that works hard, lasts, and keeps up. Your gear should do what it says on the packet. That's why we created GearForce. Inspired by a simple idea, something for everyone, and backed by nearly 2 decades of Utemaster design and manufacturing, GearForce brings proven quality and expertise to a more accessible level, without the usual corner cutting that happens in this category. This is the GearForce lid fitted to the BYD Shark 6, built for everyday reliability in all conditions. It's designed for real-world use where your gear needs to stay secure, stay dry, and be ready when you are. It's built around an ethos we call field ready. The lid fits clean and flush with the tub and integrates with the tailgate and central locking system. There are no visible latches and no external weak points. Once it's locked, it's locked. By removing exposed latches, the lid can't be forced from the outside. It's a simple, secure setup that does exactly what it's meant to do. Keep your gear protected. With a full perimeter sealing system designed to perform in real working conditions, the GearForce lid is built to keep water out. It seals properly, and that's not something every lid in this category gets right. With a load rating of up to 200 kg, it gives you the confidence to carry gear on top when you need to. Built from powder-coated 5052 aluminium with highly tempered integrated side rails, it's designed to stay solid when the workload ramps up. Check out how easy this lid is to open. The gas struts take all of the load, making it easy to open, and then when you need to close it, simply pull down on the strap like this. And when you need full access to the tray, it's easy to remove and refit, keeping things practical and flexible. Through the week, it's about locking up tools, timber and equipment, and on the weekend, it's just as capable, loading up gear or running crossbars for the trip away. Same lid, different use. GearForce focuses on doing the essentials exceptionally well at a practical price. It's gear that works in all conditions and delivers a level of quality that stands apart from anything else in its category. Built tough, built smart, field ready. GearForce by Utemaster.